Yes, Michael Kors has arrived. 2 boxes. So we'll see what's inside. Look. It's Express from Michael Kors. Thank you for sending this. Yes, it took one day only. Yes. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Stephanie Bukay Mukbang. My package has arrived from Michael Kors. Thank you, Michael Kors, for sending this 2 boxes, the small one and the big one. So let's do the unboxing, guys. I hope you're ready. So it came from Michael Kors itself. So we'll see. We will see. Something. It's something how to open. We will see. Just watch. Yes. Michael Kors, guys. No boxes. No dash bag, sorry. You see that? It's a different kind. Yes. The same, I mean. It's original, guys. It's original. Yes. So you will see this. The purse. This one. As usual, you see that. This is a zipper. And the name of this is, I don't want to share you. Jitsu Travel Tote Brown. You see that? It's new. And as you can see, so I got it from them, but it's like you can put some paper on it. And the same, this one, it's the same. And the name up there, you see that? Yes. That's the first tool. And the big one, you see how to open this. How we gonna open it? You see? I forgot 22 or 20 something boxes. First, what's on it? Plastic. You see? Now, as you can see, you have this one. Yes, side bags, or you can put it as a sling bag. It's inside. Now you put some paper on it. A zipper on it. So there's a pocket here. And then you see. Yeah. That's right. And then you can put the extra on the side bag. This one. Yes. Next. I just didn't want to put it. I don't want to open it, but I have to. And another side bag or sling bag. Yes. I will open it now. Not now. You see? And the name there, Michael Kors, guys. Michael Kors. Yes, that's the fourth one. I bought two. It's the same. I just don't want to open it. I got the same. So perfect. And the sixth, what's this? Aha. Aha. With a ball, this one. Nice. Look. Look. You see? Nice. There's a sling there, or additional, and then the zipper, you see, and then it's one pocket. When you go to the mall or you go to outside, you can do this like this, or you're gonna put the sling one. Yes, 2, 4, 6. It's the 6 items. 6 items. Yeah, put it back. Yes. The next, I don't feel like to open it. Oh, this one is nice. It's big. It's not bigger, but it's big. Oh, you see, cute. Cutie. You see Michael goes there, and the seat there. See, like that one there, but I don't want to open it. Aha, you can put this one also. See, you can put this one, and there is a dust bag. Almost of my bag, they don't have dust bag, and you see there's the name. Here's the pocket and everything. It's very nice. You see that one, like a madam. Yep. Or you gonna put the extension of it. Yes, I'm gonna show it on my live some other time. Right now I'm too busy. Yes. There's a thing, but that's about it. Yeah. Next, oh, this one. It's like Uniflex. It's, oh yeah. You see this? Yeah. Like this one. But I don't want to, like, let it move this one. You can put it here. Yes. Or you can put it there. Or you have an extension in it. You can put it in your body. It's all original, guys. As what I said, all told you guys, I don't sell fake. It's all original. Okay? So you put it. You can put your, you see. You put there. Yes, it's nice. Yep. I'm gonna put it back. Tapos, baka madumihan. Baka madumihan, guys. Let's go to the next. It's the same, but the color is blue or sky blue. Another sky blue. The yellow, the sky blue, and another sky blue. 3 sky blue, and another blue without plastic. They are really good. Yes, you see that? This one without plastic. You want? And another bag there without something inside. That's why it looks like that. Yes. Yes, you see that. That's what it said. And this one, I don't know if I'm gonna open this. It's pink, girly. It's girly. Look, if you want, you can put it here. It's like this. It's in your tummy bag, like this. Where is it? Like that. It's hair inside, like that. Round, around, around, around. That's it. It's what's inside. Lots of, you can card, you can put it. Cell phone, you can put it there. But I don't want to open right now. Like that. So I have had different kind. This one is nice. So I think I order with some mirror on it. You see? It's a sling bag. It's a sling bag, guys. Let's see inside. I'm not gonna save this one. I don't wanna open it. I don't wanna open it yet. But so nice. You have a mirror. You see? You see? I like it. And look, another sling bag. You see? You can use Uniplex. You can use it girls or boys. Girls or boys. You say that sling bag or just a side bag. Just put it there. The other one, because I said I didn't want to break it. I'm gonna fix it soon when I have time. And this is another one with mirror, the sling bag. And this is the other one with a sling bag. And this one, I bought a lot, you see? Like that, you see? Yeah. Or this one, you see? Very nice. It's really nice. And Tatler slippers. And Michael's course itself. It's very nice. You see? And the size is, what you call this? Why didn't see the sizes, sir? I'm gonna kill him. Sorry, I'm just kidding. 8. This one is 8. This one is 8 also. And this one is, I'm sure, 7. 7. You see? It's all original, guys. It's all original. And this one is 8. I get a lots of 8. 8. You see? Yes. That's what Michael course. So now I'm gonna fix it. So soon I have time because I cannot do the live sealing yet. I'm so busy with my life. Just inbox me if you want something. So let's see. That's it, guys. See you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell button for it. Yes, I hope you have a nice day, nice weekend, nice Saturday, and hope to see you soon.